Hi there! We're excited to introduce the latest addition to the ProArt series. Today we're taking a close look at ProArt Mouse MD300 and ProArt Mousepad PS201. These two accessories are perfectly suited to meet the needs of your creative workflow. First up, we have ProArt Mouse MD300. This elegant mouse is contoured to fit the shape of your palm for a comfortable grip and includes a raised thumb rest area so your hand is fully supported. This premium mouse includes a built-in dial and a side scroll wheel, making it the first mouse that's compatible with ASUS Dial. The dial allows you to make quick and precise settings adjustments and gives you an array of customization options so it fits seamlessly into your creative workflow. In addition, ProArt Mouse MD300 includes an independent middle button to give you unprecedented levels of control when working with creative software. The three mouse buttons sit on professional-grade Omron switches with a 50 million click lifespan, and with the left and right switches replaceable, so you won't have to worry about durability. The high-performance laser sensor tracks up to 4,200 dpi and has a 1,000 Hz maximum polling rate in 2.4 GHz mode, giving you outstandingly fast and stable tracking even on high-resolution displays. It offers pinpoint accuracy on almost every mousing surface, even on glass. The high-throughput RF 2.4 GHz connection ensures accurate, lag-free input. Alternatively, you can use Bluetooth fast pairing technology to connect ProArt Mouse MD300 to up to 3 devices and switch between them simply by pressing the pair button. ProArt Mouse MD300 is energy efficient too, lasting up to 150 days on a full charge. And when it does need a recharge, 1-minute quick charging via the bundle USB-C charging cable gives you up to 3 hours of heavy use, or up to 8 hours of light use. ProArt Mousepad PS201 is the perfect companion to ProArt Mouse MD300. It features a stylish leather strip with 2 hidden magnets to dock your ASUS Pen, earphones, or other accessories. Its woven polyester surface allows for accurate and precise mouse tracking. It's also water repellent to protect against accidental spills and is treated with ASUS antibacterial guard to keep your creative space clean and sanitary. The non-slip base keeps your ProArt Mousepad right where you want it, and it also doubles as a gray card, which is a useful aid for filmmakers and photographers of all skill levels. Together, ProArt Mouse and Mousepad are perfect for creators. The mouse is compatible with a wide range of creative apps like Adobe After Effects, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Lightroom Classic, while the gray card base serves as a handy tool for photography enthusiasts. If you're into mobile photography and have a great sense of color, ProArt Mousepad can be used as a tool to achieve shots with true-to-life color. Open any camera app that allows you to lock exposure. Then take a photo of the Mousepad's gray card base for your first shot. Tap and hold on the image to lock these autofocus and exposure settings, so all future shots you take with your device will feature highly accurate colors. On the other end of the spectrum, if you're a professional photographer, you can use ProArt Mousepad on location. Simply take a reference photo of the gray card base together with the subject or location you're shooting. After your photo shoot, use the white balance selector tool in Adobe Lightroom and place it over the gray card in the reference photo. Copy and paste color settings of this image and apply it to all other shots taken under the same lighting conditions. You can then use ASUS Dial on the ProArt mouse to edit your photos seamlessly in Lightroom or Photoshop. Adjust functions like brush size, image contrast, and image saturation with your thumb. You can even customize ASUS Dial functions to suit your preferences and workflow. For filmmakers and film enthusiasts, lighting for a video is a much more intricate affair, so adjust white balance on your equipment with the ProArt Mousepad's gray card base. You should have perfect exposure for the rest of your video and have the correct color temperature for your subjects. For post-production, use the ProArt Mouse ASUS Dial to jog through the scenes precisely and intuitively while editing. If you're throwing in some special effects, use Adobe After Effects with ProArt Mouse to smoothly navigate and trim the timeline. These are just a couple of ways to create with a new ProArt mouse and mousepad. The possibilities are endless, so let your creativity flow.